Don't want to be someone else. Be the best you.
When people ask me kung saan channel ako lalabas, I say channel YouTube. Lord Apags, hi Sam! Do you guys watch our show called Riding in Cars with Girls? If you haven't yet, you can go to my YouTube channel and then click on the playlist Riding in Cars with Girls. That's what I'm working on now.
What can you say about Sarah and Matteo's engagement? What can you say?
1 year na pala silang engaged.
I'm happy for them. And I think I'm happy for anybody who gets engaged. It's the best feeling in the world. One of the, at least for me.
Anong brand ng shade ng blush on gamit mo today? Ang gamit ko today ay KJM cheek tint. Naks. The cheek tint I'm using today is from KJM. And then I'm also using Mineral Fusion bronzer.
How often do you upload to YouTube channel mo? This drops every Friday. So every week we have a new video.
Wonder Girl 09, can you talk about a day in the life for both of you, like wellness routine, work, morning routine, etc.? Magandang question yun for
That's a good question. For me.
Yeah, what's your routine?
Okay, well, my routine is that, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I'm actually the country manager for ClassPass. So, I do have a full-time day job, guys.
ClassPass yung pinopost ko.
Yeah, ClassPass is basically this awesome platform that allows you to go to different workouts, different studios, different partner studios, and take different classes all over Metro Manila and all over the world as well. So I'm very busy doing that. And you know, that definitely helps me stay fit. And every morning I meditate and I stretch on my mat. You do that too, right?
I do that also, yeah. A typical day for me right now that you're not seeing me on TV is I am usually awake by like 5:30 to 6:30 in the morning. I do some yoga stretches and then I just sit on the floor in my room and have coffee also. I really just take my time.
Yeah, me also.
And then I think about what I have to do for the day. I have lists.
I'm a super morning person, you know this. I'm usually awake by like 6 or 5. So I really take my time. I need like that whole morning to find my center. I need my long morning also to really find my center, and when I find it, that's when I go about my day.
I also like the feeling of being able to do work before everyone else wakes up. And then I try to stop doing work as well. As for somebody that works at home now, like me, I do a lot of my social media work from home. I try to stop working also by the time the sun goes down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm also like that. I chuck my phone. Tinatapon ko lang. Ayoko na. Parang ganun. Time out. So everyone knows. If you message Sam past 7 p.m., the shop is closed. I'll get back to you tomorrow.
For both, you both have good skin. What moisturizer do you use?
Why, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, our skin's pretty good.
Close up. Salamat, because me and B really talk about this a lot and we do our best to make sure that we help each other take care of ourselves.
The moisturizer I'm using right now is Derma E from Healthy Options, so it's an organic one.
Yeah, I use Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer every day. I don't really put foundation, so
I don't either.
Yeah, it's the best way to make your skin breathe because you're always using makeup when you go to events, pag nagsushoot ka, diba? So if you really want na makahinga yung skin mo, just do tinted moisturizer.
We'll just do a couple more questions.
You know, guys,
Chris Sizzler says, favorite Netflix series?
Right now?
Explained. I like Explained. It's like 20-minute long.
Yeah, it's fun.
Informative videos by Vox. It's by Vox. So Vox is also a YouTube channel that I like. Yeah. So Vox is one of my favorite YouTube channels.
I like Explained. I don't know, what am I watching now? Oh, I just started, me and my husband were binge watching Will and Grace again. From like the first episode. So yeah.
It's from the 90s,
Yeah,
right?
you guys should watch that. Will and Grace is awesome.
Somebody said, I love KJM. Si Sophia Andres. Hi, Sophia.
We love KJM too.
We also love Sophia.
And we love Sophia even more.
I am Wonder Woman 8 says, hey Bianca, what is your favorite music? I really like music. Follow me on Spotify, Bianca Charlotte King. I make playlists.
Yeah, honestly, when I'm lazy, I just use her playlist.
Yeah, I send my playlists to all my friends. Arnie18 says, "Hi B, gawa ka naman ng video on how you manage finances. Some tips." Well, let's give some now.
My top of mind personal finance management tip would be live within your means. Because I think that a lot of people get ahead of themselves and wala pa yung pera sa account, pinagastos na. Number one, make sure that you're spending money that you have. Yeah, so that's, I think, really important.
Ako what I also say actually is live below your means.
Oh, live within, live below.
Yeah, like spend so much less than what you really have. And another tip that's pretty easy to follow, I think, is have different bank accounts.
I do that all the time. I have a savings account and a spending account.
Spread it.
Yeah.
Save money, eat at home.
Healthier pa. Healthier pa.
Okay, let's do...
Please watch Riding in Cars with Girls on Bianca's YouTube. So for all of you guys who don't know kung ano tong pinaggagawa namin, she's just teaching me how to drive kasi hindi po ako marunong mag-drive.
Next week also we're coming up with an episode with Nico Bolzico. Oh my god, I almost dropped my phone. I'm sorry. Sex or chocolate? Both.
At the same time.
Have you both experienced breakouts? If so, what did you do para mag-heal po?
I can answer this because I got...
Ako rin, I had a phase in my early 20s where I had a lot of pimples and I would pick on them all the time.
I had super bad acne when I was in high school, like really bad acne. I took some oral medication that just fixed it forever. So sometimes it's just a matter of that.
Ako naman, what I did was ate healthier. I stopped drinking soda. I stopped drinking like a lot of junk food and stuff. I stopped putting too much makeup on my face. I let my skin breathe. I stopped using foundation. So there, my skin became better.
Yeah, that's true too. That's why I don't also put a lot of gunk on my face. Because even if you take the meds to get rid of it, syempre may maintenance pa rin yun. You have to keep making sure it's clean.
Healthy skin starts with the gut.
Healthy skin starts within.
How to be you po? Be you na lang. Don't try to be you.
Yeah, that should be a standard answer. No, how to be you.
Don't be me.
Be you. Don't want to be someone else. Be the best you.
You do you, boo boo.
You do you and be the best you, boo boo.
Okay, last. Describe yourself in one word.
On a serious note, strong. I feel strong.
Describe myself in one word. Free.
We're strong and free.
Bye guys, thank you. Anyway, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel Bianca King, and then follow Sambie Rodriguez on Instagram and follow Riding in Cars with Girls on Instagram. We have created an Instagram account for the show and we'll be posting some fun stuff there. And then Sam just launched a business called Odd Job Bob.
Yeah, so sa mga tao that need home improvements, new walls, paint job, plumbing, electrical. Sorry, di talaga ako artista, guys. I'm really at work. I'm an entrepreneur, guys. So please support my business.
All right.
Bye, guys.
That's it, guys. Thank you very much.